The Sirhowy Ironworks was first built in 1778 and was one of the earliest ironworks around. Between 1794 and 1880, it was operated by three men named William Borrow, Richard Fothergill, and the Reverend Matthew Monkhouse. The ironworks were built against the grassy bank here, so they could load the furnaces much easier. Sirhowy supplied Ebervale with iron in 1844, and there were 5 huge furnaces here. I bet it was super noisy, and the red glow could be seen from miles. In fact, it's said that the work employed children like me. John Williams, aged 15, was a worker here and said, "I keep the gate at the forge yard, and I went to work at the forge when I was 6 years old, and about 3 years ago I lost my right arm in the rolls. It was taken off near the socket. I was a long time ill, but well now. I go to chapel and Sunday school when I have time. I cannot always go as the locomotive engine travels through the gate on Sundays." Iron making stopped here at Sirhowy around 1883. It continued to produce coke, which is an important industrial product used mainly in iron ore smelting, but also as a fuel in stoves and forges, until it finally closed in 1905. Today there's loads of things to see that's still here, like 3 stone arches and the base of a furnace, but this was just a very small part of the ironworks. It's pretty amazing, but I'm really glad I didn't have to work here.